Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to share an order with a customer. Now, sometimes if you did not get an order on your website, if you got an order, say in the DM or somewhere else, you can come here on your Bumper web app and create the order and then share it with the customer. And all that does is it gives them the details of their order and also gives them a payment link where they can then proceed to make payment. So to do this, to share an order, it's actually very simple. After you've created your order, I'm sure in the previous video you saw how to create an order. So when the order is still on the page, you can share the order. But after you've created an order, you can share the order basically. And to do that, let's use this unpaid order, for example. So once you click on the order, just come here and click on share order. Once you click on share order, a link is copied and you can then share that link with your customer. Now here, I'm going to quickly show you what your customer will see when they click on the link. So let's say we've copied the link and we've shared it with the customer. Now let's open it. So now this is what the customer will see. They can see their order details and information and the cost, the price, that's how much they need to pay. And they can also confirm their information and then they can proceed to payment by clicking on the payment button. And that's it. This helps you also organize your orders that are not coming from your website. So you can create the order manually, share with your customer, and make it easy for them to pay and make it easy for you to track everything as well. And that's it. See you in the next video.